Let us help Grandma clean her bag.
Minu, Chinu, can you help me clean this bag?
Yes, Grandma, we will help you.
It's fun to clean your bag, Grandma. There are always lots of things inside.
Grandma, can I also help?
Yes, Buzz, you can also help.
Grandma, I will also help you.
Okay, Futta, come here. Let us take the things out one by one. What is this? It is long and round. What could it be?
A pencil.
No, a pen.
A water bottle.
Let us see what it is. It is a small pipe.
A pipe? Yes, it is long and round.
Grandma, now I will take a thing out. Okay. It is round, hard and flat. Can you tell me what it is? Buzz, think.
It is a ball. No, Buzz, a ball is not flat. Is it a coin, Chinu?
That's right, Minu. It's a coin.
Let me take something out now. It is round and it can roll.
Is that a ball?
A ball can roll, but it is not a ball, Futta. Is it a marble? Yes, Buzz. It is a marble.
I will take this marble. I like to play with marble.
I will take something out now.
Hey, Buzz, how can you do that?
I will go into the bag like this. Okay, now tell me. It is flat, has 4 corners. Flat and 4 corners? Is it a book? No.
Is that a ruler like me?
No.
Is it a postcard?
That's right, Chinu. It is a postcard. Look, it is flat and has 4 corners.
Okay. Do you want to play a game?
Yes, Grandma. That will be lots of fun.
Okay. Minu and Futta can be in one team. Chinu, you and Buzz can be in the other team.
Oh no, Grandma. Buzz and me? Never. Futta and I will be in one team and Buzz can be with Minu.
Okay, Buzz, come near me. What is the game, Grandma?
When I say long, you have to tell me something that is long. When I say round, you have to tell me something that is round. If you make a mistake, the other team wins.
Okay, Grandma. Let us start.
Long.
A bat.
A bottle.
A ladder.
Futa. But Futa is long.
Okay, Buzz. Now tell me things that are round.
Bangle.
Ball.
Marble.
Laddu.
Ooh, Buzz is hungry. Buzz is hungry.
I am not. Laddu is a round thing.
Grandma, there are lots of matchboxes in your bag. Look, I can make a tower with them.
A tower?
Just watch me.
Oh, Chinu, your tower is very nice.
Look, we can make a tower like this also.
Oh, that's fun. I will also make a tower.
Buzz, the ball is round. It is not flat. We cannot use it to make a tower. Round things roll and flat things slide.
Okay, now I know. I have seen Ramu uncle put things one on top of another in his shop.
That's right, Buzz. So, you cannot use a ball to make a tower. A ball rolls.
I know all round things roll, all flat things slide.
Hey Buzz, now tell me, can this coin roll or slide?
It can roll. No, it can slide. No, it can roll. I don't know, Chinu.
But Buzz, you are right. A coin can roll and also slide. See, it is round and it is flat also. Friends, can you think of more things that can roll and also slide?
Friends, some things roll, some things slide, but some things roll as well as slide. Buzz needs help on this. Will you help him? You can give the answer loudly and Buzz will pick it up for you. Okay, let us start. Ball, rolls. Matchbox, slides. book, slides, orange, rolls, dice, slides, lemon, rolls, coin, rolls and slides, comb, slides, carom coin, rolls and slides, pencil box, slides, bottle, rolls, bottle cap, rolls and slides.